Well, I finally got my 3D print order here, and that's pretty good for me because I finally get to finish this 4-inch build. And the reason why this 4-inch build has not been built yet is because it started out working okay, and then I felt like it was a bit top-heavy, so I wanted to slam the build. And when I slammed it, I actually went through a lengthy process to just go ahead and conformal code it. But I ended up finding out when you slam it, parts don't fit exactly where you want it to anymore. So, at least for me, it was the receiver and the VTX. I wanted to be sort of put in a way that it's very, very easily maintained, and it just kind of shows how much of a perfectionist I am at how my builds go together. Actually, on my 6-inch builds, what I like to do is that I like to have this exact formula on how things are easily maintained and etc. But over here, I got this COM doc printed out, and I actually tried to get one made at the makerspace, but unfortunately Ben couldn't get it working. These are just some gecko mounts for this gecko, but more on that later. But for now, I guess let's get back to building this guy. Well, yeah, the COM dock didn't exactly fit the way I thought it would. My design didn't exactly account for the fact that the PDB would come very close to this standoff here. So I had to use other methods. So I guess at the end of the day, it's nothing a hammer and a knife won't fix. So I guess let's get to see how these electronics slot onto this nearly perfectly. Okay, I figured out how to just actually get this set up. And basically what I did was I just put the VTX vertical like this, and more to all configuration there. The antenna dongle can slot through here and back around. Yeah, anyways, I'm honestly a bit curious as to how this is gonna fly, so let's take it outside. Well, time for a first flight, I guess. It's just very underpowered, like Cinegeek's underpowered. But it's smooth. It's not floaty like the 6-inch, but it's smooth. Oh, that split was close. It's hard to do a catch. I think so. Let's go for a roll real quick. Whoa, I fall a lot with this one. It falls like a rock. I'm like flying a brick. Okay, this battery's completely cooked. Well, I really like it. The lower top deck definitely does make it feel a bit better, but still doesn't fly as good as my 6-inch builds. But after all, it's just a backup. I guess the truth is, what really shows me out to be a true perfectionist is that if this is the amount of effort I put into a backup build, how much effort do you really think I put into my main 6-inch builds? Come on.